A treat for mosquitoes. What is the meaning of treat? Children, here treat means a feast for mosquitoes. Our blood is a feast for mosquitoes. While going through this video, you will learn some interesting facts about mosquitoes. Understand the life cycle of a mosquito. Understand how to protect ourselves from mosquitoes. Learn the names of diseases caused by mosquitoes and houseflies. Understand about anemia and its causes. Some interesting facts about mosquitoes. There are more than 3,500 different kinds of mosquitoes in the world. The average lifespan of mosquitoes is less than 2 months. Mosquitoes have poor eyesight. They cannot see properly. They have super sense of smell. This you have learned in your first chapter. Super senses. And because of super sense of smell, they can find us by the smell and heat of our body. Children, only female mosquitoes suck blood. And these mosquitoes drink blood up to 3 times their weight. Male mosquitoes live on plant juices. These male mosquitoes, they never suck blood. And they don't need blood also. Female mosquitoes lay up to 300 eggs at a time. Children, do not underestimate these mosquitoes because they are responsible for spreading dengue, chikungunya, malaria, yellow fever, which are dreadful diseases and cause a lot of deaths throughout the world. Bite or suck. Usually people say, I have been bitten by a mosquito. But this is not true. Because mosquitoes do not bite. They pierce our skin with their needle-like mouth part called as proboscis and suck our blood. Mosquitoes do not bite, but they suck our blood. This is a picture of a male and a female mosquitoes. Now just try to observe this picture and see the male mosquitoes. It has got some feathery structure in front of its mouth. Whereas in case of female mosquitoes, you can see this needle-like structure which is called as proboscis, with the help of which it sucks our blood. Where do mosquitoes lay eggs? Mosquitoes lay eggs in soft, moist soil or stagnant water in pools, tanks, pits, etc. You have learned that a female mosquito lay up to 300 eggs at a time. Mosquitoes spend their first 10 days in water. Observe this picture carefully. You can see pictures where water gets collected. And these places are breeding places of mosquitoes. Breeding places means the mosquitoes, they lay eggs in the stagnant water which is collected in all the things which are shown in the picture. Life cycle of mosquitoes. This is a picture of female mosquito, and you have learned that female mosquito lay at least 300 eggs at a time. These are the eggs of mosquitoes. From these eggs, the baby mosquitoes called as larvae, they hatch out, and if you see the larvae, observe it, it is very different from the adult mosquito. These larvae lives in water, and then the larvae changes into pupa. Pupa then changes into adult mosquito, and in this way the life cycle of mosquitoes goes on. What is malaria? Malaria is a disease spread by female mosquito named Anopheles. Anopheles mosquito carry the germs and spread malaria when it sucks the blood of a healthy person. And this was found by Dr. Ronald Ross. Malaria is detected in the person by blood test, and its symptoms are fever with chills and rigors. Malaria is more common in rainy season because in rainy season these mosquitoes they get their breeding ground. How malaria is diagnosed? Malaria is diagnosed by blood test. Blood of infected person is taken for blood smear test. On the glass slide you can see a drop of blood is kept, and then this is spread into a thin film, and then this glass slide is placed under the microscope to check whether malarial parasite is present in the blood sample or not. After that, the blood report is prepared. I have taken this sample from your book, which is given on page number 69. Here you can see the name of the child is Rajat, who is 11 years old and who is male, and the diagnosis is fever with chills and rigors, ठंड लगकर कपकपी के साथ बुखार. But you know that there are many kind of fevers in which patients suffer from chills and rigors. But the words malarial parasite found in blood sample, it means that the person has malaria. Remember these words, malarial parasite found in blood sample. About the medicine, from early times, the dried and powdered bark of the cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. This is the picture of cinchona tree. Earlier, people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water, which was given to patients. But now, tablets are made from this, and the very common tablets are chloroquine and quinine. Now, what can we do to keep ourselves safe from mosquitoes? Don't let water collect around you. Fill up the pits. Keep the water pots, coolers and tank clean. They should be dried every week. Spray oil if water has collected at some places. Children, if we take all these measures, we can stop the mosquitoes from breeding, and then there will be less mosquitoes and we can save ourselves from mosquito bite. Keep your surroundings clean. Use mosquito net, and we can put mosquito fish, a special kind of fish, in the stagnant water of ponds, pools, lakes or tanks also, because mosquito fish can eat mosquito larvae as fast as the larvae hatch from eggs, as many as 100 per day. So we can protect ourselves from mosquitoes by keeping our surroundings clean, not letting water to get collected in our surroundings, using mosquito nets while sleeping, using mosquito repellents like Odomos, All Out, mosquito repellent coils, etc. This is the poster which I have taken from your textbook. Now children, you observe this poster carefully and read it also. Here 4 pictures are shown here, and then it is written, are you inviting mosquitoes? Beware, they spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya. So do not let water collect around you, fill up the pits. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. Put fish in the ponds so that they eat the mosquito larvae. Use mosquito nets to protect yourself. Spray oil if water has collected at some places. And now find out the answer and write which diseases are caused by mosquitoes. What are larvae? Why should we not allow water to collect in pits? What could happen by spraying kerosene oil on water collected in pits? What happens when we put fish in ponds or tanks? Like mosquitoes, houseflies are a very common insect which are equally dangerous because they contaminate our food and spread many kinds of diseases. In fact, houseflies do not bite but spread diseases. They usually sit on garbage, rotting waste materials where harmful bacteria grow naturally. These bacteria stick to hair-like growth present on the body, legs and mouth of houseflies. When these flies sit on our food, they unknowingly drop the harmful bacteria there, and these bacteria contaminate our food. When we eat such food, the bacteria enter in our stomach and cause diseases. This is the enlarged view of housefly. Flies can spread bacteria from place to place which stick on their legs, feet and wings. Houseflies sit on garbage, fecus, rotten flesh and waste material. These are the places where bacteria grow naturally. And these houseflies, they spread cholera, diarrhea, typhoid and tuberculosis. So beware of these houseflies also. Protection. To protect from diseases spread by houseflies, keep your surrounding clean. Do not allow garbage or other waste materials in your surroundings to collect for a long time. Do not eat any cut or uncovered food. Always keep your food covered. Anemia. Anemia is a disease caused due to less iron or hemoglobin in the blood. It is diagnosed by blood test. The normal range of hemoglobin in our blood should be 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. If hemoglobin decreases or it is less than 12 gram per deciliter, then the person will suffer from anemia. What is hemoglobin? I am hemoglobin found in your blood. There are oxygen around you and around me. I carry oxygen to all parts of your body. So I am very, very important. Without me, oxygen cannot be moved inside your body. More hemoglobin in blood, more oxygen supply in body. It means hemoglobin is very, very important in blood. It carries oxygen with it and supplies oxygen to all parts of our body. Inside the body. Children, you know that we breathe in and breathe out. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Actually, the air which is present around us, when we breathe in the air, it goes into our lungs. The oxygen from the lungs moves into our heart. Heart is the pumping organ of our body, which pumps blood to different parts of our body. Oxygen is mixed in the blood. It is carried by the hemoglobin and it is supplied to our body parts. Carbon dioxide is generated in the body and it is also mixed with the blood and is carried to heart, from where the carbon dioxide moves into lungs and then we breathe out carbon dioxide. This is a simple outline of what happens in our body. How it happens, that you will study in your higher classes. So hemoglobin carries oxygen in our blood. If hemoglobin becomes less in our blood, our organs would not get proper oxygen, which in turn affects our physical and mental health. Symptoms of anemia. If a person is suffering from anemia, he or she will feel weakness, low energy level, breathlessness, and have pale skin. It all happens due to less hemoglobin in the blood, due to which the oxygen supply becomes less. So we have to eat food which are rich in iron. Few examples are apple, banana, beetroot, blackcurrants, amla, mulberry, spinach, jaggery. Children, these are few examples of food which are rich in iron. You try to find out more examples and make a list of food which are rich in iron. Anemia is also diagnosed through blood test. This is an example of blood test report which I have taken from your textbook, in which you can see the test report of a girl, Aarti, who is 12 years old, and she is diagnosed anemia, and the hemoglobin in her blood is found 8 gram per deciliter on 26/2007, that is 20th June 2007. Then she started eating food rich in iron and also the medicines which are prescribed by the doctor. And then her hemoglobin increases to 10.5 gram per deciliter. And this test report is of 15/9/2007. It means 15th September 2007. So children, just find out whether the hemoglobin increases or decreases and by how much. Yes, in 2 months 25 days, Aarti's hemoglobin increases to 2.5 gram per deciliter. Now find out what are the symptoms of anemia, what is hemoglobin, what is importance of hemoglobin in our blood. Make a list of food items that are rich in iron. What should be the normal range of hemoglobin in our blood? I would like to introduce a new term, algae, kai in Hindi. You must have seen green growths in stagnant water or sometimes near water resources also. These are called as algae. Algae are green microscopic plants which grow in or near water resources. During rainy season, these algae grow at places by themselves. This is the enlarged view of algae. These microscopic plants are very soft and slippery. You have read that mosquitoes and houseflies are very dangerous insects which spread many kinds of diseases. We have to keep our surroundings clean and do not provide places for these insects to lay eggs. Anemia is a disease which is caused due to not eating proper food, particularly food that contains iron. Anemia affects our physical and mental growth. Thank you so much.